Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install and use Eclipse IDE on your Ubuntu operating system. So let's get started. So before installing Eclipse IDE, the prerequisite of installing Eclipse is you need to have Java installed on your Ubuntu operating system. So I have already created a video about how you can install Java JDK on your Ubuntu operating system, and I will put the link into the description of this video so you can just see how you can install Java on your Ubuntu operating system if you already don't have Java. Now, in order to check the version of Java, you can just press Ctrl+Alt+T to open the terminal here. And once the terminal is open, you can just give this command java -- version, and it's going to give you the version of Java you have on your Ubuntu operating system. So in my case, I have Java 15.0.2 version. So once you have Java installed on your Ubuntu operating system, we are ready to install Eclipse. So just open your favorite browser and search for download Eclipse. And the first link which will appear here will be from eclipse.org/downloads. So I'm going to just click on this link, and when you reach to this website, straight away when you scroll down, you will be able to see this download Eclipse button. So I'm going to just click on the download button here, and then you will be able to see the nearest mirror which is nearer to your location. I'm going to just click on download button, which is going to start the download of this Eclipse IDE on my Ubuntu operating system. So you can see it's around 83 megabyte file. So I will wait for the download to complete. So once this Eclipse tar.gz file is downloaded, I'm going to just minimize my browser and I'm going to open my terminal once again. So now I'm going to just navigate to my downloads folder, and you can see this Eclipse tar.gz file is here. So if you are comfortable with command line, then you can give this tar command and then -xbzf and then the name of your file, which is Eclipse. Or you can directly go to the downloads file and then right click on this file, and then you can just click on extract here, which is going to extract this file into your downloads folder. Okay, so I'm going to just give this command, and now you will be able to see that this folder is extracted from your Eclipse tar.gz file. And now inside this Eclipse folder, I can see this Eclipse-inst file. So I can run this binary file using the terminal also, or you can directly click on this file. So let me clear the terminal, and then I need to navigate to the Eclipse directory, and here I need to run this file, right? So I'm going to just write / name of the file, which is Eclipse-inst, and then press enter, and it's going to start this graphical installer setup. So let me just minimize all my terminals. So now you have a bunch of options here. So if you want to install Eclipse for the Java development, you can choose the first option. If you want to install Java for other purposes, for example, for developing C++ applications or PHP applications or other applications, you can choose the option which is suitable for you. For now, I'm going to choose the first option, which is for Java developers, and this will be the location of your Java JDK file. So Eclipse is going to recognize the location of your Java JVM JDK directory where you have already installed Java, right? So if you are happy with both the paths, then just click on the install button, which is going to give you this kind of license terms and agreement window. So you can just click on accept now, and the installation will start. So I will wait for the installation to complete. So now, as you can see, the Eclipse installation is finished on my Ubuntu operating system. So I'm going to just click on this launch button to launch Eclipse IDE. And for the first time when you open Eclipse, it will ask you to provide the workspace folder. So if you don't have the good reason to change this path, you can leave it as default and then click on launch. And now the Eclipse IDE has been started on your Ubuntu operating system. So now at this point, you can create your first Java project. So let's create one. So I'm going to just click on file and then new and then click on Java project here, and then give the name of your Java project. So I'm going to name my project as hello, and this will be the location where your project will be saved. And then you can choose your GRE. By default, Eclipse is going to recognize your Java installation and it's going to just select these options automatically. You can also choose the different versions from here, but for now everything looks good to me. So I'm going to just click on the next button. So now you can see the project folder structure here and all the libraries associated with it. So you can change all these things later also. So I'm going to just click on the finish button for now. So for now I don't want to create this module, so I will just click on the don't create button, which is going to create my Java project. Now if you see this welcome window and if you don't see the project folder, then you can just click on minimize option, which is going to show you your project explorer window, right? You can also close this donate window from here, and then you can just open your project. So inside the source folder, I'm going to create a new package. So right click, new, and then click on package. Name your package something. So I'm going to name it as com.codebind, for example, and then click on finish. And inside my package, I'm going to create a new class. So I'm going to just right click once again, new, and this time I'm going to choose a class here. And then I'm going to name my class as hello again. If you want to create a public static void main method, you can check this checkbox also. So I'm going to just click on this checkbox which says public static void main, which is going to create this main method for me, and then click on finish. And once this is done, you can see this class is created and this main method is created. So now inside this main method, I can just write system dot out dot print line or print ln, and then inside the parenthesis in the double quotes I can just write hello world, for example, and then I can just save my project by clicking on this save button. And if you go to the run tab here, you can see all these run options. Also, when you click on the project option, you can see build automatically option is checked here. So when you click on the run button, so just click on run hello.java button, it's going to build automatically and then show you this kind of output, which is hello world, right? So everything is working fine with your Eclipse IDE. Now let's say you want to close your Eclipse IDE. I'm going to just close my Eclipse IDE. So you can just reopen this Eclipse IDE by just clicking on these dots here, and then you will be able to see this Eclipse icon here. So you can just click on this icon and it's going to open your Eclipse IDE once again. So this is how you can download and install Eclipse IDE on your Ubuntu operating system. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.